Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export an image as JPG with Nano Banana. So when you generate your images here on Gemini with Nano Banana, let me show you. So let's click on this one and we'll download it right here. Download full size. Let me show you what it actually happens. As you can see, it downloads it as a PNG, right? .png. What you want to actually do is just go to your image that you want to download as a JPG, right click on that image, click here on Save Image As, and it will open up your file explorer and go to where you want to save it. So I'll save it here on Pictures, and as you can see, Save as Type. Make sure it is chosen JPEG, okay? JPEG image, same as JPG, and you can name this anything you want. So I'll name this Futuristic, and we'll just go ahead and save it. There you go. It's a .jpg, as you can see. Really that easy. And that is how to export an image as JPG with Nano Banana.